Good morning. Time for a market update. So, where are we now? Well, rates are still low. They're in the 2s and 3s depending on credit score, loan program, all that good stuff. Now, where are we at with inventory? Well, it's still low. We need to figure this out, right? We need to get more properties in the market. So, the government right now, they have the Federal Reserve rate at almost zero. It's almost there. Now, that isn't the whole thing that drives and makes rates what they are. The other thing the Federal Reserve has been doing during this whole pandemic is spending $80 billion a month to buy mortgage-backed securities to drive interest rates down. Now, they're going to have to start tapering as the economy and the job market gets better. Okay? Also, this causes inflation. So they can't kill us with inflation. We can't get murdered with this. This isn't the primary cause of inflation. There's a lot of factors with that. But that is a big cause too. Now, what we're looking at is probably December is when they're going to start tapering. So they'll probably go from 80 billion down to 65 or 70 billion a month. And then as things keep going and progressing, they'll continue to taper. So probably July of next year, we will not be buying mortgage-backed securities anymore. That's the way it's looking right now. What does this mean for you as a seller of a home who also is looking to buy an upgrade? And what does this mean to you as a buyer? Now, right now, you're going to get a premium price for your house selling. Get the most equity out of it that you can use for a down payment on the next property. Matter of fact, most of you don't know that you can still put as little as 3 and 5% down on a house, even if you're not a first-time home buyer. A lot of people think you have to put more down. Not true. Now, getting back to the market, what's going to happen is as rates go up, the demand for homes will go down. How does that happen? Less people are able to qualify for the home that you're selling because their rate went up and now they can't qualify for that loan. Also, it slows down the market every time they talk about rates going up. Applications drop. You're going to have less buyers pursuing your house. You're probably going to stop getting where people are offering to pay cash over what the value is. So I'm not sure why you're waiting if you're sellers, because right now the rates are the lowest they're probably going to get. And then you're getting a premium for your house and you get to upgrade, which means you're going to have a cheaper payment by putting a bigger down payment and having cheaper rates. Okay? For you buyers out there, you're going to end up not qualifying for the home because we still have an inventory problem. So home values are still going to go up over the next year. We're probably going to still see a 20% increase just due to the inventory issue, especially in Arizona. Quit listening to the news. Don't listen to them. They don't talk about Arizona. And even if they do, it all has hidden agendas. Okay? Talking about foreclosures. They're all lying about that. First of all, the news is backed by big corporations. Big corporations are buying homes. They don't want you to buy them. They don't want you to live the American dream. They just want you to get on the wheel, run, and shop on Amazon or Walmart. Okay? Get out, buy a home, generate wealth for your family. But here's the thing, buyers. If you wait, as rates go up, you're not going to qualify for the house. As the value goes up, you're not going to qualify for the house. These are all things that are going to happen. Get your pride out of the way. Some of you buyers need to hear this, or sellers that are thinking about buying when you're having to offer more. Your pride does not generate generational wealth. It does not. Your pride gets in the way, and especially some of you have been sitting around, and a $300,000 home a year ago is now $360,000, $370,000. That's $300 to $400 more a month in payment for you guys because you waited. So right now is the prime time. You're gonna miss your window. There is no perfect time. It's better to catch the knife on the way down versus on the way up. And when the rates start going up, The knife's going to be on the way up, and it's going to cut you, and you're going to bleed a whole lot more, and you're not going to be able to buy the home that you want. Okay? So, that's your market up for date for the day.